I mean, I have to say, having walked around it for a year, that I love nearly every part of it. I mean, what you have is a historic building, and they've allowed the history of the building to speak just enough without it being too overwhelming. And it's just a really beautiful balance. Newport Street is a long-term idea of Damien Hirst's. He's built a collection over the last 15 years, and the purchase of the building allowed him the possibility to create this wonderful space.
Well, Damien Hirst was very closely involved, and from an architect's point of view, he was the dream client. He's a nice person, but he's also very demanding and really passionate about making spaces that are good for art. They were amazing buildings from 1912 that were used to build scenery in West End theatres. There were 3 buildings, and they're very special because they're enormous single interiors, very tall, with rather distinctive facades in brick. And the design was about really trying to add to what we thought was special about these buildings, doing a new building at one end with the entrance and galleries, and another building at the other end with offices for the organisation. The first show was a very simple painting show, and it was the opportunity to place a painting on that wall, and it managed it really well. Now we have the Jeff Koons show, so you know, it's actually very versatile. You can see that in these 2 we had sufficient height to build a new floor here and here in order to make 2 large galleries on the ground and the first floor, but in this one we didn't quite have enough height. So we made a bridge here that connects this level, and in the centre there's this very tall gallery. So in this gallery you're going up 8 metres to get to the upper floor. It's a long way to go. So we tried to make the staircases something of an event.
My favourite part, I suppose, are the stairwells.
The stairwell is amazing.
Coming up the stairwell, when you're looking at the brickwork, it's absolutely beautiful.
Although in the gallery spaces, all those beautiful buttressed walls are covered with new white gallery walls, the staircases are made out of brick. That's about trying to remind people that they're in a really amazing solid brick building.
The light is amazing. We were looking down at the blue inflatable. It's not even really being particularly lit, you're just using natural light.
Natural light, especially top-lit light for gallery spaces, just seems to work really well. You don't encounter these sort of harsh shadows as such from side lighting. We are literally on the other side of the tracks. Running parallel to the gallery is the Waterloo train line. If you go beyond that, you have Lambeth Palace and Westminster.
To me, it's about the kind of London that I love, and not necessarily about what London is like today with its glistening towers. I think it's from a kind of slightly earlier feeling about London.
It's very democratic. Anyone can come in, enjoy the work, enjoy the architecture, enjoy the restaurant, come back as many times as they want, and that's what it's all about.